Hello everyone, this is your Machinery Daily channel. Today, we're looking at some of the most satisfying workers on the planet. Sit back, get comfortable, and get ready to be seriously impressed.
Instead of working with your hands, you should use your head.
Removing old vinyl flooring is made fun and simple with the use of a dedicated removal machine. Witness the skill of flipping 8 eggs perfectly, as demonstrated by this talented individual. An excavator operator demonstrates his precision by flipping empty bottles, showcasing advanced machine control. Fast-working individuals effortlessly throw empty bottles behind them.
Go ahead, tell them about your exhausting office job.
The satisfying effect of an alligator print paint roller makes it compelling to watch. Dark, powder-like substances are expertly applied to hair, creating the illusion of thickness and concealing bald spots. Bare root plants are inserted into the soil by a machine designed to create a perfect planting space. Machines efficiently distribute hay to hungry cows, showcasing agricultural innovation. Precise needle machines meticulously insert hairs into doll heads, demonstrating intricate craftsmanship. Go. Skillfully using a mini excavator, a worker effortlessly smooths wet cement while floating above it. Stadium chairs made of plastic are revitalized using a torch, restoring their original color. In a factory, specialized saws are employed by workers to cut through multiple layers of fabric with remarkable ease. workers employ an innovative, human-like automated system to efficiently harvest watermelons. Unique electric trimmers are used to neatly and satisfyingly trim horse fur. Plain white volleyballs are transformed with eye-catching custom money patterns through hydro dipping. Skillfully stripping the thick bark layer from a tree, a worker uses a specialized knife. The process of factory sealing pillows is demonstrated in this fascinating example. Mattresses are compressed, vacuum sealed, and rolled at a factory for compact packaging and shipping.
Planting grapevines in action. Artificial intelligence, Indian style. Blacksmiths working in perfect sync. Check this mesmerizing footage of cows being fed. You don't have to be strong if you know physics.
Landscapers ingeniously spray paint yellowed grass green, quickly restoring its lush appearance. Using long tools, workers skillfully smooth wet cement from a distance. Avocados are sliced with stunning precision and evenness. Discover an ingenious watermelon cutting hack, maintaining the fruit's integrity while removing the rind. Two workers collaborate to cut and transport granite, demonstrating teamwork and efficiency. Soda packs are easily transported to a second level using an escalator, eliminating the need for manual carrying. Tools are used to simultaneously pick up and carry multiple bricks, showcasing innovation in construction. Crepes are expertly made in large skillets, demonstrating culinary skill. Combinations of dustpans and squeegees efficiently remove water from tiled surfaces. Rotating cars are utilized to easily unscrew bolts. Excess paint is removed from rollers using specialized metal tools, enhancing efficiency.
When you're not used to making two trips.
Workers cut aluminum roofing into precise, wavy patterns, showcasing metalworking skill. Waste management workers use specialized vacuums to clean streets, demonstrating urban cleanliness. Machines are used to carefully dig around trees for transplantation. Sheep are efficiently transported using fabric slides, demonstrating smart handling techniques. Innovative methods are used by workers to lift large tractor tires. Excess mortar is removed and trimmed by tractors, showcasing construction efficiency.